In a previous video we created this macro in Excel which formats a text into 20 point and bold. It might be useful for us to create a macro that could actually toggle to this value and then back to where we were before. And we can do this by introducing an if statement into the macro. So we'll just copy the existing macro and paste it down below. Give it a new name by putting the expression toggle format the text, and we can change this starting with a single quote is a comment, so it doesn't actually affect the macro, it just explains what the macro is doing. So we could say toggles, just to keep the explanation, the format of a cell from 20 point and bold. We can do this by seeing whether the font is already bold. So if we select this line, copy it, and then just say, create a new line. If it's true that the font is bold, then on the next line, change the font size to 12 and change the boldness to false. Else, we could have done this more efficiently, but we have done it this way. If it isn't bold, then make it 20 and make the bold true, and then we just need to finish the if statement with an end if. So the macro simply says that if the cell is already bold, then make the font size 12, take it away from being bold, otherwise make the font size 20 and also bold. Let's just see how this works. If we click a cell and we go to Developer, Macro, choose Toggle Format the Text, as in our previous macro it makes it bold and 20 point. If we run exactly the same macro again, just moving that out of the way so that we can see it, and we run exactly the same macro on the same cell, then it puts it back to the way that it was.